We are back to Bali. We stayed one night in Kuta and then we took a taxi up to Ubud. And from here we are gonna do two things that we're gonna book. First one is river rafting tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. River rafting is like where you follow the stream down in a big raft and you're gonna wah, yeah, I think. And the day after that we are doing the sunrise, which is probably gonna look amazing. But nonetheless, it's kind of late. I've been sitting here just editing all day. So yeah, how about this? See you tomorrow.
So when you book this rafting?
If it's off, buy a bag of rice and put everything in rice tonight and leave it in.
Yeah.
Put it in ice. I'm putting in ice. Put it in rice.
All of you making flip forward.
No, we'll put it in rice.
The time is now roughly 2 a.m. and we just woke up because we're doing a trekking. We're gonna go see the sunrise on a mountain, and the sunrise isn't until like 4 hours, so I think we're gonna trek for 2 hours and then we're gonna eat some breakfast up at the mountain. So yeah, right now I'm just very tired, but I think if we're lucky it's gonna be very good. So let's go. Yeah, we climbed the mountain, we came up to the top. At the top though, it was barely, you couldn't see anything. But hey, it's more about the climb than the destination, you know? I can show you some good pictures from Emil's GoPro later. Yeah, it's gonna be good. What do you guys think?
It's amazing!
Kolla in. God dag. och kameler.